For the last couple of months, I've been sharing exactly how I built myself an off-grid cabin last spring. And a while ago, I went through my phone and I found out that I had quite a bit of footage that didn't make it into the main videos. So I'm going to be putting all these videos together to make a part 2 of the cabin build vlog. So without further ado, let's get into the video. Day 33. This is looking pretty freaking good. All right, so this is what this section looks like before I'm gonna be turning it into my wraparound driveway. This is what my spot looks like just from this angle. Here is where we're gonna be driving into or out to. Right where I will be having the actual entrance drive into, and then
Bingo, boom, 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 boom.
I think I might have to be taking away this tree, and we're gonna be skirting along this edge. And I'm not gonna be filming all of this project because one, the bugs are super terrible right now, but two, just because I also want to get it done in relative fashion and I don't have a tripod. All right, guys, so it is now the evening and I'm going to be switching out my tent to get it. I'll show you what it looks like tomorrow. I'm going to be switching everything out in for my tent so that I have now a bigger space to sleep in, which is going to be very, very, very nice. So I'll show you in the morning. Good night, guys. All right, so this was last night's door. It's kind of impressive. It was last night at very, very late. I opened up this tent instead of my other one, and we also got a bunch more moss done. And we are also going to be doing the roofing very soon. And I officially finished all the walls, so that's pretty good. The heck's this chicken doing? Well, it's not a chicken, it's a partridge, and it has a nest right there, I guess. So I'm just gonna walk away from here. Probably not good to have a mama partridge as an enemy. All right, good morning, everybody, and it is raining, and it's gonna be raining throughout all of this day, but I still need to make breakfast, and for that, I need to have a fire going, so that's gonna be a lot of fun. All right, and whoa, somehow we have a fire out here on my indoor porch area. Just joking, the phone died, so I figured I might as well get the fire started. And the rain has died down significantly. I have myself a homemade oatmeal mix. And we also made ourselves a nice treat. Pancake mix. Well. Okay, about 10 minutes later, my fire's starting to die because the ground is just becoming so saturated that it's killing the coals from underneath, which is not that good. And it's also very, very thunderous, so I'm gonna get myself cooked and I'm gonna head back in. So yeah, it's ridiculously windy and we got some bad news. Yeah, so my freaking tarp is now just flying up in the wind. I believe my bungee cords are still there. Hopefully nothing tore, but I need to get that fixed. It's attached to that tree. I can't shake it down. It's very sketchy and the walls are wet. Now I'm all muddy. All right, so now it is the next day and we have a bunch of stuff done, which is super, super, super exciting. So we have a bunch of the roof supports done and the windows in the front are installed. I can't really show you what the roof looks like because I want to have that in its own video, but I can share. All right, little update here at the entrance of my cabin, well, the wraparound part of the driveway. Very easily now see my cabin, which is very nice, and it's basically now just a bunch of chopping away all the smaller stuff.
And then also we have 1, 2, 3, 4 more trees to cut.
Maybe also that little small one. They are not at all the same size. I gotta say, the best way to start your day in the forest is having a root beer. This is just an automatic productivity booster. And by the way, it is kind of chilly right now. It's actually double sweater. Actually, I'm just gonna stand by my fire for a second because, like I said, it's
like 12 degrees out right now.
In the middle of June, so that's kind of ridiculous. The genius thing is to put like a large log on the fire so that once this wood is starting to burn down, it'll at least retain some of the coals in there. 10 minutes later. All right, good morning, everybody. It was a very long night. It's been raining for all night, and it's been also thundering.
Oh my goodness.
Basically, now I think I got to be doing just a little bit more for the actual driveway, which I don't think I've showed you yet. Now there is no bunch of branches that are just falling over into here, and it is actually looking pretty amazing. There is a couple bits of stumps, and there is some more little trees that I got to still cut / snip away. And this is a very large knot of branches and just tangled roots. So just noticed that for the first time. And then for the grand reveal of our entrance / exit, here it is. It's actually looking very awesome. Let me just say I am very, very, very glad with how that turned out. And once I drive through it a couple times, it should be making it look a lot better. Now we are going to be doing the last bit of this wall that I need to be putting moss in. Now we have our last bag of moss. It's less than 6 foot of wall here, so it shouldn't be too big of a deal. And if I just walk around here above the door and just a little bit at the side there here, but I mean that's honestly not going to be too big of a deal. Back at this spot here, you could tell there is a decent gap. You could pretty easily see into my spot, so that's not good. And we're gonna be putting a chunk of wood here, that way we're not gonna be having to use as much moss, and it'll make it just a little bit faster. All right, so moss is very spongy, and lately it's been raining quite a bit, so right now they're all covered in moisture. I'm just a little bit worried that this stuff here that I put will end up being a waste, because once it dries it might just kind of like slip out the edge. Everything on this wall here I put in dry, and it has stayed pretty good.
And there was one spot that I did that was actually wet,
And I believe some stuff fell out. So now that I've said that out loud, I'm pretty sure I'll just leave that moss inside the bag overnight. And then tomorrow morning, once hopefully a little bit of moisture is out of that, I'll be able to just fill in those cracks. I will update you guys probably in tomorrow morning when I do the rest of the moss. All right, good morning, everybody. I'm just gonna go right ahead and start with the moss. Yeah, all right, as a matter of fact, I'm actually making breakfast first. All right, so it's just oatmeal for breakfast, but if you guys subscribe, it could be potentially
Pancakes.
every day for breakfast for me. So that's one reason for you guys to continue along on my adventures. One hour later. And that's gonna be the end of the video because I don't actually have any more footage from this spot.
because I actually lost about like 500 gigabytes of content and footage and videos. I might make an entire video talking about that, but I'm just not sure exactly how to frame it.
If you made it this far in the video, you're an absolute legend, and thank you so much for watching, and I hope the rest of your day goes absolutely fantastic.
Bye-bye!